Hello everyone and bonjour. Welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to learn about a new verb in French, which is être. But before we start that, let us look at some subject pronouns in French, or we can call them les pronoms sujets. So in French, we have two types of pronouns, singular and plural. Singular, we already know that singular is used when we are talking about any one person or any one thing, and we use plural for more than one person or more than one things. So if there is only one person or any one object, then we are going to use these singular pronouns, and otherwise we are going to use these plural pronouns if there is more than one person or more than one objects. So let's start with the first one, je. And if the next word is beginning with a vowel, then we'll use this apostrophe. We'll remove the E and we'll add apostrophe. And je means I. Then we have tu, which means you. Il, he or it. And elle means she or it. Then let's look at the plural pronouns. Nous is we. Vous means you. If there are many people, so if you want to say you all, so you can use vous. Otherwise, we can use vous for elders also. Like if you want to show respect to someone, you can use vous. Just like in Hindi, we use aap to show respect. In French, we can use vous for elders. Then we have il, and it means they. So here I've written M, which means masculine. So il is used if there is a group of boys, all are masculine, then we can use il and it means they. Similarly, elle also means they, but it is used for feminine nouns. Like if there is a group of girls, there are many girls, so for them you can use elle, which means they. So these were the pronouns in French, and we will be using them in almost all the verbs that we do in the future. Now let's look at the verb être, the verb être, which means to be. So we are already familiar with these pronouns je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. And now we are going to conjugate this verb être like if you see je. With je, être becomes suis. So je suis becomes I am. And similarly with tu, être becomes a. Tu es, you are. If there is one person and you want to say you are, so you can say tu es. Similarly, we have il est. Here again we have conjugated this verb être and it has become a. It means he is or it is. So it is basically used for masculine singular nouns. Then we have la, which means she is or it is, and it is used for feminine singular nouns. The next pronoun is nous, and with nous, être becomes sommes. So nous sommes means we are or we all are. For the next pronoun vous, we will conjugate être, and after conjugating être with vous, it becomes êtes. So this is vous êtes, which means you all are or you are. So vous êtes can be used for a group of people, and it can also be used to show respect. Then we have ils ont, they are, which is used for masculine plural nouns, and elles ont, they are, for feminine plural nouns. Now let's look at some examples to see how we can actually use these pronouns and these verbs in French. So imagine if you want to say I am Indian in French. So we already know that I is je in French, and we have already learned the verb être. So je suis is I am. And if a boy wants to say I am Indian, he can say je suis indien. And if a girl wants to say I am Indian, she'll say je suis indienne. Here we can observe that we are adding an additional N and E for feminine nouns or for a female person. Then we have tu es français ou française. So tu es is you are, and français means French. So français without an E français without an E is used for boys, and if we add E, it is used with girls. So français will be used with masculine nouns, and française with an E is used with feminine. So most of the times we add e with feminine gender only. Next we have il est beau, he is handsome. So beau is a new word, it means handsome in French. Then we have elle est belle, she is beautiful. Belle means beautiful. Now let's look at the plural pronouns. Nous sommes indiens ou indienne. So nous sommes, you remember, it means we all are or we are. And India, here you can observe that we have added s. S, just like in English we add s for plural nouns, in French also we add s if there is more than one person or more than one object. So we have added s. If there is a group of boys saying that we are Indians, they'll say nous sommes indiens. And if there is a group of girls saying we all are Indian, so they'll say nous sommes indiennes. Next we have vous êtes français ou française. It means you all are French. By French I mean a person coming from France. Then we have ils ont beau, which means they are handsome. So here beau is ending with a vowel like you was there in the end. That's why we have added x. Elles ont belle. Here again you can see for plural I have added s here. Elles ont belle will be they are beautiful. So I hope you all learned something today, because here I have a small worksheet for you which you can use to practice conjugation of être. So here we have compléter avec le verbe être, which means complete with the verb être. So the first one is je dash belle ou beau. So basically for conjugating and filling blanks like this, you have to focus on the verb and the pronoun. So here we know the verb is être and the pronoun is je. So we have already seen that with je, être becomes suis. So it will be je suis belle ou beau, I am beautiful or I am handsome. Just like this, you can conjugate être with each of these pronouns and you can easily fill the blanks. So all of you can try attempting this and practice the conjugation of être. You can share your questions, comments and answers in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Merci beaucoup.